We interrupt this program to bring you an emergency alert message. This is not test. Repeat, this is not test. Earlier today, a chemical spill broke out at Scum Labs, causing 3 civilians to mutate into gargantuan monsters. The description of the monsters are as follows. A giant ape covered in brown fur, a giant green lizard, or dinosaur, and a giant blue wolf. If you see these creatures, run. If they catch you, they will devour you. The military is doing all they can to combat these creatures. Until the all-clear has been given, seek shelter, remain calm and safe, and continue to monitor media outlets as new information becomes available. Repeat. This is not test.